Please subscribe and click on the bell.
For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net.
Add your oil to the pot and swirl it around. Once your oil is nice and hot, you want to sear your pork ribs in batches. Once you see that your pork rib has a nice sear, go ahead and flip it over, and you're going to repeat this for all your pork ribs. Once you're done searing your pork ribs, ditch the oil, add new oil, and in the same pot, add your garlic. You want to cook your garlic on low because we don't want to burn it. We are going to cook our garlic until it is nice and fragrant. Once your garlic is nice and fragrant, go ahead and add your pork ribs to your pot in layers just like so. As soon as all your pork ribs are nicely sitting in the pot, we are going to add the vinegar and cook this on high until the vinegar has reduced by half. Once your vinegar is reduced in half, add your soy sauce and your water. We're also going to add a couple of bay leaves and a bunch of black pepper. You can use black peppercorns, but I don't like biting into black peppercorns, so I use freshly cracked pepper. Gently push down on your meat so the peppers and the bay leaves can marry with the sauce. Once your sauce comes to a boil, put the lid and simmer. Make sure when you place the lid that the lid is ajar. Once you see your meat is falling off the bone, then you know it is ready to serve. When plating, I like to pour extra sauce on my ribs and on my rice. For added flavor, I like to add Furikaki on top of my rice, and that's how simple it is to make my version of Filipino pork adobo. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.